Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Liz, and in today's video, we're shopping at IKEA. Today, I'm sharing with you items that are under $10 that I think are totally worth it for you to have at your home and are great deals. Several of the things on my list are new products out at IKEA, so I'm excited to find those and share them with you. So let's go in and see what we can find. All right, so I always bypass the upstairs. Unless I need to look at furniture, I just go in this side door and go to the bottom section. All right, so I'm gonna do my best to only show you guys things that are under $10. All right, this little thing is new. I have something similar to it that was like in a rectangular shape, but they have this new corner shelf that's only $7.99, and that's what it looks like. This would be great for like a tiny little bathroom, or you could also put it, I was thinking like in your closet if you had a small closet. Love that. So a new favorite at our house has been these little water bottles. They're only $1.99. They're really easy. The kids love taking these when they go places. So I'm definitely gonna pick up a couple more of these. So one of the things I really like are these little wood lids, and they're $3 for the lid, and you can put them on either this size glass jar or on this size, and they're perfect for storage, and they look so nice in your fridge. So I think I'm gonna get a couple that are this size. This size container they have on sale. It looks like those are $2.49, and then the smaller ones are $1.99. So for the lid and this size container, it ends up being $5.50. I love so many things in the kitchen section. All of their jars are just so nice, and you can really just look around here and find some great things. I know that I always show you guys the cutting boards, but they're definitely my favorite. Looks like they got these big cutting boards back in stock. This is the one I have in the camper. It has like a little lip on the front, which makes it really nice for staying on the stove. I've actually got quite a few back in stock. My favorite one is this one back here, but it's been out of stock, so I haven't been able to pick it up. That one is $19.99, but some other inexpensive options are this one right here. This one's $8.99. That would look so nice sitting out as part of a little display, and they just look great as like a backdrop in your kitchen as well. So I'm looking for coasters that they said were new. They said they had these new wood ones. I'm gonna go see if I can find them. Oh, I think, oh my gosh, they have quite a few. Okay, so they have these 2-pack of wood coasters. This is what they look like right up here, and they're $1.99. So I'm going to pick up 2 packs. All right, so here is another new shelf, you guys. This is $8.99, and it's a rectangular cart, kind of like that first one with the angles, and it has rollers on it. This would be perfect for a small space. I was thinking like in my pantry. It's super small and I could roll this in and out. I love that. Are you guys ready for my hands down best product to purchase at IKEA? It has to be these little bathroom trash cans with lids. They're only $9.99 and you push them and they go open. They have them in this color. They also have a white. These have been out of stock forever. I'm so excited they're back in stock. I'm actually gonna get a couple of these, but if you guys know anything about trash cans, they can be really expensive, especially with the lid. So in my opinion, for $9.99, this is the best deal you can get here. All right, guys, now I'm in the rugs. This is another one of my favorite sections. I'm definitely going to pick up a few because they have several options under $10. This rug I think is fairly new. I don't remember seeing it. It's $7.99, and I think this would make a great rug, but it also would make some great DIY projects. So I'm going to grab this one. All right, you guys, so this is another new rug that I think is really cute. This is $7.99, and I just love the pattern. This would be great for a back door or, you know, really anywhere. I'm gonna pick it up because I think it's a great rug for winter. Love the look. These are the rugs I get for $7.99. They're super large, so if you want to make your own rug, do a little DIY, this is the one to definitely get. And it's pretty large. Like if you look at that compared to that little rug, it's quite a bit bigger. I came across this. This says a flat woven rug for $9.99. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty much like a really thick fabric. And I think this would be great for upholstering like a bench or something. And for $9.99, that's such a great price. So I'm gonna pick up one of these to do some kind of upholstery project. I don't know exactly what, but I like the look of it. I found something online that IKEA has recently reduced their price on. These rugs are now $9.99, and they're not the super fluffy kind. Like the super fluffy kind are these. These are, I think, $30. But these are great if you just need like a little accent rug for a chair or something. And they also would be great to upholster like a stool or something. So for $9.99, I think that's a great deal. So you guys know IKEA has great organization options. A new thing that I found online that I'm really excited about is this right here. It's $4.99, and they're calling it a handbag organizer, which, you know, I think that would be great for. But I also think you could put a lot of things in here besides handbags. You could also put in, you know, shoes if you wanted to do that in your closet, because sometimes I think these can be really big in your closet and take up a lot of room. But I was thinking maybe boots or something, so I might get it and try and see if I can fit boots in my closet using this. And when I say I might get it, that means that I'm like picking it up right now and throwing it in my cart. so the next thing that I'm excited about are these little shopping bags. They have canvas shopping bags for $1, and I thought they would be great to put like something like a screen print on it or something. So I'm gonna grab one of these and try to spruce it up. So now I'm in the shelving section. My daughter Annabelle has asked if I could put a shelf in her bedroom so that she can display all of her Legos. So let me show you what I'm gonna pick up. IKEA has these shelving brackets for $5 each, and I don't like the finish of it, but I think what I'm gonna do is paint these white and then stain a board that I have in my garage to set on top. Now, if you want to get a board, you can definitely do that. IKEA has a bunch of different, let me show you. IKEA has all of these different board options that you can do for shelving, or a ton of different options as well. You know, if you want to just get like the white or the black, but for me, I'm just going to take a board I have. It's just going to be cheaper and stain it, but I do like to buy these because I feel like that's a pretty good deal. So I'm going to pick up 4 of these. I'm also picking up this hook right here. It's $4.99. I like to pick out my outfits the night before, and I was finding that I didn't have anywhere to hang them. So I hung this hook up in my closet, and now I have a place to hang all of my outfits the night before. So I'm over in this vase section right here, and I love so many of their options. This vase right here is just so gorgeous to me. This one is $9.99, and it's this really pretty pink color. It's kind of, I don't know, it's very subtle pink, but I'm definitely going to be picking this vase up. Love it. I definitely am a super fan of all the florals. I'm definitely a huge fan of these $4.99 artificial plants. You guys know I always gravitate towards these. Some of my favorites lately have been this succulent. I think that's really cute. And then let me see if I can get, I should probably be going to the other aisle. Okay, so this they've been sold out of. So I'm gonna have to pick up a couple more of these. It is just a hanging plant like this. For $4.99, that's a great deal. And I have these on my backdrop and they look so cute. So I'm gonna pick up a couple more of these. All right, I've made my way over to the live plants. I'm definitely looking at this little guy. He is, I think, $3.99. Trying to decide if I need this plant. Probably not. Most of the plants over here are between $3.99 and $7.99. The larger ones can be around $4. Like this one right here, this big palm is only $14.99. That's a really good deal. So I saw these in the new section online. They're $5.99 and they're like these gray planters. I think that they are ceramic, but they look like concrete. These are so cute. They're a little bit bigger than their normal size planters, but these are really cute. So I've made it to the warehouse. I need to pick up a couple of nightstands that I'm doing a project on. I also am looking for a little white table that I can use for taking like photographs of things that I film for you guys. I just want like a really simple white table. This is the one that I had in mind, and it's perfect because it's under our $10 price point. It's a white table. And I think this is going to just work perfectly. It really doesn't need to be that big, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and get this. All right, you guys, time to check out. I have a huge cart full of stuff. I hope you guys had fun with me shopping at IKEA today. I hope you got some great ideas of inexpensive things that you could get for your house. If you're new here, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I post 2 DIYs each week. And if you missed our last video, I'll link it here for you. And I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.